Okay, ladies and gentlemen, family members, welcome back. Of course, it's Human Face Humanity First, uplifting all souls across the board. So we are here again with another video. The title of this video is Ghana, the Gateway to Africa, Nkrumah's Vision of Unity. Okay, Ghana, the Gateway to Africa, Nkrumah's Vision of Unity. Welcome to our journey through the vibrant tapestry of Ghana, often hailed as the Gateway to Africa. In the heart of this nation lies the legacy of Osagefo Kwame Nkrumah, the visionary father of the nation and a fervent Pan-Africanist who drew inspiration from the great Marcus Garvey. As we explore Ghana's rich history, it's impossible to overlook the pivotal role played by Kwame Nkrumah in shaping its destiny. Rising to prominence as a fervent advocate for independence, Nkrumah led Ghana to liberation from colonial rule in 1957. Becoming its first prime minister and later the president, his commitment to Pan-Africanism went beyond national borders. Nkrumah envisioned a united Africa, drawing inspiration from the teachings of Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey, a Jamaican-born leader, had long championed the idea of African unity, urging the African diaspora to reconnect with their roots. Nkrumah, inspired by Garvey's words, sought to bring these ideals to fruition. His vision extended beyond Ghana's borders as he actively worked towards the creation of a united African state, emphasizing solidarity and cooperation among nations. Nkrumah's legacy is deeply woven into Ghana's fabrics, and his dream of a united Africa as one nation continues to resonate. As we delve into the historical sites and cultural landmarks of Ghana, we will witness the enduring spirit of Pan-Africanism that Nkrumah instilled in the nation. From the bustling market of Accra to the historic forts along the coast, each corner of Ghana echoes the call for unity that Nkrumah championed. Join us on this captivating exploration of Ghana, where the echoes of Pan-Africanism reverberate through time, connecting the past with the present. Together, let's unravel the threads of history that make Ghana the gateway to Africa, with Osagefo Kwame Nkrumah as its visionary architect. In the heart of West Africa lies a nation with a rich tapestry of history, culture, and a dream that transcends borders. Welcome to Ghana, the gateway to Africa. Meet Osagefo Kwame Nkrumah, the visionary founding father of Ghana. His dream was not only for Ghana's independence, but for the unity of the entire African continent. Nkrumah was mentored by the great Marcus Garvey, a visionary who believed in the empowerment and unity of the African diaspora. Together, they laid the foundation for a dream that will change the course of history. Nkrumah envisioned a united state of Africa with Ghana as its capital, a dream where the strength of each nation will be woven into the fabrics of a united continent. The Black Star Liner, a symbol of hope and unity, was Marcus Garvey's vision for a fleet that will connect African nations and all black people, fostering collaboration and prosperity. That's why Osagefo Kwame Nkrumah adopted the Black Star in the middle of the national flag of Ghana to forever keep the dream of African unity alive. Today, Ghana stands as a testament to that dream, a nation that has embraced its past while surging forward with progress and prosperity. Ghana's legacy is not just about its own success, but the beacon it provides for the entire continent. A gateway where cultures converge, opportunities blossom, and dreams are realized. As we explore the vibrant streets of Accra and the serene landscape of Ghana, let us remember Osagefo Kwame Nkrumah's dream. Ghana, the gateway to Africa, where the echoes of unity and progress resonate through the heart of its people. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, family members, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more inspirational, motivational, for more history about Ghana, about the African continent, true realistic history about the black nation, about Ghana, a country that upholds democracy, a country that is democratically stable economy, a country that has so much potential. Stay tuned, don't be left out, be part of this family. Subscribe, like, make sure you put on all notifications so that each time we drop a new video, YouTube will inform you that another interesting educative video has been dropped. Okay, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up to make the algorithm happy. Okay, I love you all. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.